Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and I have an unbagging today. We'll see what's in here and then I'll tell you about it. This was the one I think that was supposed to be here last Friday, but I didn't get it till today. So we will see what's in here. There should have been one of each. And I'm only seeing 3, so we will see what happens here. Maybe I'm just miscounting. There's nothing else in the baggie. Alright. Let me look. 2. Nope, there's 4. Alright. I got these from Crystal, C-R-Y-S-T-A-L, new word, Arts, A-R-T-S, at Amazon. I paid $11.99 each for these, and a total of $6.49 for shipping. It did come from China. They're supposed to be 11 count, and they are supposed to be 34 centimeters by 34 centimeters, or 13.26 inches by 13.26 inches. Alright, so the first one, and they are all Joy Sunday. It did advertise that they were Joy Sundays, so that's why I got them. And these are my 4 seasons. This is the first one. It's winter. I will pull it out. Hopefully there'll be a smaller picture. There usually is. So how's everybody's day going? Is everybody getting excited for the weekend? Going to do anything fun? I hope. Comes with the instructions like normal. It's all printed. Whoops. There's not too many colors here. There's 20 colors in this one. We'll get to them in a minute. And the canvases aren't very big, but they're in sampler fashion. Let's see here. Whoop, I went the wrong way. No. See if I can tip it down just a bit. There we go. It's real nice printed, and they do have the key along the bottom, and along the side it says back stitch and then full stitches. And hopefully there is some kind of instruction booklet. There is. Well, it's all on one page, guys, so I can't show you the picture because that's the thing, but I will hold it up like this as best I can. Isn't that cute? It's Christmas trees and Santa bags and mittens and stuff for winter. I mean, it wasn't real involved or anything, and I like that they were a small size. It says cotton fabric, cotton thread, needle, and instructions. And the needle, there's 2 needles, and it's hooked on there. Let me turn this over so you can see the colors. Isn't that pretty? Bright fire engine red and greens. 3 shades of green and yellow and orange. And then on this side we have kind of a salmon, dark salmon, and a dark peach color, and blue and a green. Don't see any Christmas green in that, but that's okay. Let me look again. Oh, well. So we'll see how well this goes. I mean, I don't expect it to go real bad. And it's what I call a partial, because it is a what do you call it? I don't know what I was going to say. It's a partial because it's not fully covering the whole thing. You don't fill in where the white spots and everything are. Okay, so let's put this back together and get on with the next one. They're just little kits. So, you know, I'll have to start one of these. Okay, let me put that instruction, not like I need the instructions, but it does tell you how to start, how to finish, and how to, you know, care for it afterward, to wash it and clean it and all that stuff. Okay, and this one, we'll see, which one is this? This is the autumn one. Comes with a picture, and I'll bring it up as far as I can. Bring it down and bring you up. There we go. Isn't that cool? But they're just really little, and hopefully, you know, not like I ever finish anything. I did go and get a tub today, and the key is Also at the bottom of the pattern, you know, to match the key here. And then, I'll lay that over there. Lay this down. Whoops, sorry. Trying to turn it so you can see it. The key runs along the bottom, and along the side it says full stitch, and then back stitching. Has a little dragonfly. So this one's autumn. Isn't that cute? Just thought it'd be nice and kind of quickie type. Does come with, let me move that out of the way. Comes with the 2 needles. Nice soft thread. Pretty colors. Kind of mauve and a light mauve and a dark mauve, and then a dark green blue. And then here's all your autumn colors. So there's not a whole lot here. It is an 11 count as well. They're all the same size, so that would make it easy, you know, for framing if you wanted to frame it. Okay, let's get on with the next. Just kind of stacking them over there out of my way. I don't know why I saved that page. Jeez, got 15 copies of it. And this is another one. They all come in their nice little pouches. So I put the ones I'm not doing away. This one is summer. Has a beach towel and sandals and a wheel, you know, for sailing, and some pretty flowers. I'll show you the picture here once I get it turned around. I like the colors in this. They're all done in aquas, you know, like watercolors, nautical colors. Isn't that cute? They're so square. Got a fish and some seashells and sundresses and stuff and little boy's outfit. I guess that's supposed to be a little boy and a little girl look. It says marine look there. Then we have a lighthouse and some birds. More fish. And then that wheel. Yeah, it's going to be pretty. Let's flip it over here. Real easy to read symbols on the fabric. Sorry, I'm kind of cutting off the light there. But their symbols are always nice and clear with Joy Sunday. Just love it. But we'll see. And there's your colors. Several shades of blue, a little bit of green, and a little orange and red and yellows over here. Isn't that nice? Just love the colors. They're a little messed up, but there's not a whole lot of them, you know, because there's not a whole lot to do. So I don't know which one I'll start with. We should probably start with fall and finish fall, and then we'll do the winter in the winter, and, you know, that'd be just too organized for Laura. Alright, so this one has got to be spring, guys. Yep, spring. Isn't that cute? With the butterflies and some flower pots and clothes hanging out and little ducks and picnic stuff. Let me lay it down there. I'll take it out. I know sometimes the glare gets to be a little much. But they were just meant to be like quickie projects, so, you know, we'll see how quickie Laura can get it done. There's the picture. I love the butterflies. Aren't they pretty? And the big spring flower and the ladybugs and little duckies, and then you can go on a picnic. Isn't that cute? And a bicycle. Carry your little picnic basket. And a birdhouse. And then it has a pattern. Everything's made the same. With a key at the bottom. Whoops. And the colors are really bright with this one. Okay, and then you have your key, full stitch and back stitch. Let's see if I can get you a back stitch. And then all these are the full stitch. And the symbols are really clear. As usual, nice cut and dry, just love it. Okay, and then the colors, let me get this out of your way. I couldn't believe how fast this got here. Really. I mean, today is the 8th, and I know I ordered it like the 26th, so I guess that's about 20 days. I don't know, I've been doing other things, been busy at work. Aren't those pretty colors? Springy colors. Whoops. Gotta get everything undone. Hang on. It's not cooperating. There we go. Bright orange and bright yellow and black. and kind of a gold and some more pink flowers, maybe for the butterflies and stuff. I just think it's beautiful. And your two, what do you call it, needles. I should like find something to put them needles in, because I keep having, you know, at least one or two extra. Sometimes I lose them. But yeah, this one had 21 colors. I don't know if I was telling you that. And 21 colors on the last one, and 22 on the one before that. And then I told you the one on the first one. So not too many colors, you know. They weren't over 25 colors. So yeah, I thought those were really cool. And they are Joy Sundays, so I know that they will look good in the end. You know, that I usually do not have problems with that at all. Put that there. Put that there. So that's all I have today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good day. God bless, and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.